Today, we're talking about NAD+. Imagine feeling more energized, thinking clearer, aging gracefully. What if you could really do this and you could give yourselves a boost to be able to achieve that? Wouldn't you want that? And that's what we're going to talk about today. NAD+ therapy and how it may be able to transform your health. So NAD+, or Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, is a coenzyme that's found in every living cell. It's essential for energy production, DNA repair, and overall cellular function. Unfortunately, as we age, our natural NAD levels decline, which can lead to fatigue, cognitive issues, and the physical effects of aging. This is where NAD+ therapy comes in. By replenishing your body's NAD+ levels, this therapy may help restore vitality and support overall. So, what are some of the things that it can be able to benefit you through, and how by improving your NAD+ levels can it actually get you feeling better? Well, number one, it can improve your energy. NAD+ powers your cells by giving that actual substrate that mitochondria use to be able to produce energy. So more NAD+ means more energy to be able to tackle your day. It can also enhance brain function. It supports neurotransmitter balance, and it allows for you, with the change and improvement in neurotransmitters, to be able to have improved focus, memory, and mental clarity. Additionally, it also is able to be useful as an anti-aging support because it aids in DNA repair and cellular regeneration. E+ promotes healthy aging at the cellular level. And then fourth, it's able to improve mood and stress regulation. E+ can positively impact mental well-being by helping with stress resilience and emotional balance. And fifth, it can be able to improve longevity and vitality. It plays a crucial role in maintaining overall cellular health and contributing to a longer, healthier life. However, if you think that NAD+ is all about the physical, you'd be wrong, because it can also impact your mental well-being. As NAD+ levels decline, one of the things that we can see, as mentioned before, is that there's a decrease in the aspect of focus. You can have low mood, you can have stress-related disorders, you can have brain fog, and you can have just emotional changes that are present. By replenishing NAD+, this therapy can support neurotransmitter levels at their normative state that can help regulate mood, and these are going to be things like serotonin and dopamine. In addition, it can be able to reduce anxiety by balancing stress responses and enhancing natural relaxation. It is able to be able to alleviate symptoms of depression by supporting brain chemistry and cellular health. In addition, as mentioned before, it can improve mental clarity. So many patients that have actually taken this, they've been able to see and improve focus and reduce feelings of being overwhelmed. Finally, I have a number of patients that talk about things like fatigue and that chronic stress or burnout that really powers this fatigue. E+ can be able to actually reverse this because it's able to boost that mitochondrial function. It's essential, and as a byproduct, or actually a substrate, for energy production at the cellular level. So by increasing your NAD+ levels, it helps combat both physical as well as mental exhaustion. Many who try NAD+ therapy have stated that, you know what, I have more sustained energy. I don't have issues like I would if I was using other different types of stimulants like caffeine or other options. So I don't have the same downsides that I have with using this as what I do with using other things. It allows for faster recovery. It can be able to provide you with renewed motivation. So when your body and mind are able to be able to feel rejuvenated, you're more productive and your enthusiasm naturally returns. E+ therapy can be a game changer for anyone who's looking to optimize their health, whether they're recovering from burnout, whether they're enhancing athletic performance, whether they're doing regenerative medicine type treatments, whether they're trying to be able to improve their mental health, or whether they're simply seeking to be able to age well. Traditionally, NAD+ is delivered through IV therapy in order to be able to get the best absorption and effectiveness. However, there's some other mechanisms of delivery that also are present. It can be delivered orally, and it also can be able to be delivered transdermally. If you're interested in topics like this, how to be able to improve your health, whether it's physical or mental, how to be able to punch pain in the face, also whether it's physical or mental, and how to get back to leading the life you deserve, then hit the like button. And if you want to learn more about things that we do or teach you more about things like this, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and have a great day.